안녕하세요. 저는 율14 정학기요 2학년의 So today I'm gonna show you my poster and explain why I draw this and how is this connected to the movie. This is my poster. That's my poster. And why did I draw this like this? I mean, how is this connected to the movie? Because yeah, this is Augie Pullman right here. Why did I put astronaut here? There's Augie Pullman right here. I put him in astronaut C and then astronaut C because he wants to be an astronaut, and this is what they said to Augie Pullman right here. That's what they said, and this is him getting bullied by some people or in school. He's bullied there. We need to stop bullying because bullying affects other people's heart. Like, you don't know what they have been through, so we need to stop bullying. You don't know everything about them, so we need to stop bullying because you can affect other people. And this is his friends right here. I put them in an space background because yeah, he wants to be an astronaut, and this is his friends right here. Just put them in an astronaut background because it should be fun to leave. Unique guys. Stop bullying, everyone. Stop bullying. And please, we need to stop bullying. Be kind to one another. No matter what they are, no matter what they look or whatsoever, be kind to everyone. Bullying is not just part of growing up or kids know that's not true. Bullying is a harmful behavior that leaves scars on people's hearts and minds that can maybe last a lifetime, because that can hurt their heart. When someone is bullied, they don't just feel sad for a moment. That can change how they see themselves or how they don't just feel sad for a moment. It can change how they see themselves around the world. They can feel insecure about themselves because he was bullied, because Augie Pullman was bullied because of his face. This is written right here. Be a buddy, not a bully. Kindness isn't just a job to do. It is your responsibility to be kind. And bullying is not your responsibility. You need to stop it. It's your choice to bullying, and so is kindness. So we need to stop bullying each other and help grow with each other. 감사합니다.